This is the install video for the PDP full-size 10-round magazine plate. So the 10-round mags are, basically half magazine and then half of it is the actual plate itself. So because the base plates are designed to the size and shape of the frame, they are not able to fit inside of a Magwell and seat. So you'll need to change out to our base plates that we're making for the 10-round mag specifically with the correct profile to be able to fit. So to disassemble, you'll need a screwdriver, or in this case I'm using an Allen wrench, something in order to fit down inside of that hole and press in the locking plate and then push the plate forward. Then take our plate, which is designed to a similar way, slide it from the front to the back, pushing that locking plate down underneath the lip until you can push it all the way back. Most of the time it will lock snugly in place. Sometimes you may have to take your screwdriver or wrench and work that locking plate around a little bit so that it pops into the hole properly. Once that's on there like that, it will properly fit our Magwell. It has the grooves in order to be able to grab the mag and rip it out in case there's a jam. We haven't seen any jams with the PDPs, but it's always possible. This one has our enforcer porting as well as our custom design for the PDP. We reshape the serrations and put in some window cuts there. The PDP slide themselves are very thin underneath these low spots, and so there's not too much we can do, but we were able to get some more design out of it. That is the PDP 10-round plates.